Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we'll talk about how you can upload your Zoom recordings on Repurpose.io. So, it's very simple. All you have to do is connect your account on Repurpose.io. Connecting your account of Zoom to Repurpose.io is very simple. All you have to do is sign up from your Google account with your Zoom account, and then after that, once you're signed in, once you've connected the account, you have to create the workflow, adding the integration of your Zoom files and videos that you've uploaded. And then you have to turn on auto publish. Auto publish is very important, so it can upload automatically whenever a new Zoom recording that you have published. Right. It is very easy, and all the different ways you can repurpose your Zoom videos. You can do it on YouTube, Instagram, and all the other social media that you want, and as a bulk action. So all you have to do is connect, publish the videos, and click on auto publishing. This is very important. Auto published. It will in future. Whenever you upload a video or recording, it will make your Zoom recordings into and post them on different social medias. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.